Hello students, in maths, our fourth lesson is volume. See this, you can see here two rectangles. Which is bigger? Two rectangles looks like same. To find out the bigger rectangle, we have to find out the area of these two rectangles. Area is equal to length into breadth. So here in this rectangle, length 6 centimeter, breadth 5 centimeter. So its area is 6 into 5, 30 square centimeter. Its area is 30 square centimeter. In this rectangle, length 7 centimeter and breadth 4 centimeter. So its area is 28 square centimeter. So which is bigger? This is 30 square centimeter and this one 28 square centimeter. So this is the bigger rectangle. Look at the picture on screen. You can see that two rectangle blocks. You have to say which is bigger. How can we say that? To find out the bigger rectangle block, we have to find out the volume of the rectangle block. Let us see what is volume. See how can we calculate volume. You can see here two rectangle blocks. Here length is 5 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter and height 1 centimeter. In second picture, length is 5 centimeter, breadth 3 centimeter and height is 2 centimeter. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Here length is 5 centimeter, breadth 3 centimeter and height is 1 centimeter. So volume is equal to 5 into 3 into 1. 5 into 3 15, 15 into 1 15. So 5 into 3 into 1 15 cubic centimeter. Volume is equal to 15 cubic centimeter. In second one, this is the first one. This rectangle block's volume is 15 cubic centimeter. In second rectangle block, volume is 5 into 3 into 2. So 5 3s are 15. 15 into 2, 30 cubic centimeter. In second rectangle block, volume is 30 cubic centimeter. Here volume 15 cubic centimeter. 15 cubic centimeter means 15 1 centimeters cube is used to make this rectangle block. Here in second one, 31 centimeters cube is used to make this rectangle block. എല്ലാ വശങ്ങളും എല്ലാ സൈഡ്സും 1 സെന്റിമീറ്റർ ആയിട്ടുള്ള 15 ക്യൂബ് യൂസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ് ഈ റെക്ടാങ്കിൾ ബ്ലോക്ക് നിർമ്മിച്ചത്. അതേപോലെ ഈ റെക്ടാങ്കിൾ ബ്ലോക്ക് നിർമ്മിക്കാൻ 30 ക്യൂബ്സ് യൂസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. 1 സെൻറ്റിമീറ്ററിൻ്റെ 30 ക്യൂബ്സ് യൂസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. Is it clear now? Like this we can find out the volume of rectangle blocks. Let us look at the problems. The length, breadth and height of a rectangle block is 21 centimeter, 15 centimeter and 7 centimeter. The length, breadth and height of a rectangle block is 21 centimeter, 15 centimeter and 7 centimeter. What is its volume? Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. 21 into 15 into 7. So 21 into 15. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 1 ones are 1. 1 twos are 2. So this 5 we should write here. 0 plus 1. 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 315. 315 into 7. 315 into 7. 7 5s are 35. 3 we should write here. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 1 we should write here. 7 into 3, 21. 21 plus 1, 22. 2205 is the volume of this rectangle block. 2205 cubic centimeter. Is it clear now? What is the volume of cube of side 1 meter? 1 meter means, we already know that 1 meter means 100 centimeter. So volume is equal to 100 into 100 into 100. 100 into 100, 10,000. 10,000 into 100 is 10 lakh. 10 lakh cubic centimeter. Volume of a cube of side 1 meter is 10 lakh cubic centimeter. 10 lakh cubic centimeter we can write 10 lakh cubic centimeter is equal to 10 lakh cubic centimeter. We can say that 1 cubic meter. Look at the picture on screen. (40 centimeter, 20 centimeter and 10 centimeter. If the length, breadth and height of the box is 40 centimeter, 20 centimeter and 10 centimeter, its volume is 40 into 20 into 10. So 8,000 cubic centimeter. Its volume is 8000 cubic centimeter. This is called the capacity of the box. This volume is called the capacity of the box. Is it clear now? Okay students, I will give you homework. Find out the volume of the rectangle block. Length 35 centimeter, breadth 15 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter. Notes will send you in WhatsApp. Next chapter we will discuss in next class.